to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a living room cleanup after the weekend. Not too bad. We do have some cups and some other stuff. Some pillowcases. I did buy some that were these brown ones and these white kind of beige ones, but I'm still thinking about adding either green or maybe some blues or oranges for the summertime. I'm still debating. I saw these really cute pillows that have some cute flower patterns on them just to add a little bit of a design to the living room. For the most part, I do love having a very neutral palette. Be adding a temporary stand just to add some height to it. I am going to be buying also a plant stand for this corner, so once that arrives I'll make those little updates. actually found some art that I want to add to these frames, so I'm going to be ordering that, and once it comes in I'll be placing those into these frames. But in the meantime, I'm just going to be putting these patterns in here until they come. After getting all this done, I'm going to be moving on to the other side of the living room. I actually love how everything looks at the moment, so I'm going to be keeping it like this for a little bit longer. Just going to be dusting and giving it a quick clean. Candy, you like liquid honey. Oh. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. setting up my Alexa and hiding away that little cord on the bottom. Do want to go buy some home decor, but before I do that, I am going to be decluttering. To my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching.